Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Ielts winner. Hope you are doing fine and staying safe. This is the prediction or expected questions of 5 February 2022 writing topics. Okay, so I have listed some of the important questions on different topics that are very common that were seen in January exam. So based on the January month exams, we are able to guess what kind of questions are going to come. The writing will be easy. The topics and the questions are given, so if you prepare this, you will be able to understand the level as well as gather some ideas on the topics that are about to come on the 5th of exam. Okay, at the end of the video you can also find mock test questions for today, which you can write within 40 minutes. Set a timeline and complete it in 40 minutes to see whether you are able to write it or not. It will be a good practice for your real exam. Okay, so let's start, and if you're new, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. So the important writing topics of February month, especially for 5th Feb and 17th Feb, is crimes, job, education and youth, government and technology, global issues, travel and tourism. So you can go through the questions that have been repeated in January month or November, December month, and look at the questions that came on these topics to prepare better. Okay, for task 1 you can get topics like line, bar, map and pi. Okay, so pi in the January month we saw only in the last exam. First 3 exams we did not saw map. It can either come on 5th February or there are less chances and it can come at the end of the exam like last month, so we cannot say. But these 4 topics, especially the line, map and bar, they are the most important ones, so prepare accordingly. For general, formal letter is the most important one. Task 2 you can get problem solution or cause effect solution, agree disagree type of questions, and advantage outweigh disadvantage type of questions. So learn your structures. You can go and see our templates on the channel, learn the structure and see how to write these essays. These are some of the most common topics or the important topics for 5th February. So if you prepare them, you will be able to gather the ideas as well as know the structure of how to write them. Okay, so they are on the topics of job, environment, global issues, technology, as well as your education and work. You can pause the video, see and gather your ideas or write your essays. So it will help you to gather ideas. It is not going to exactly come in exam, but similar level and similar kind of topics are going to come. So if you are well prepared with them, it will be easy for you to not waste time in thinking while you're writing your exam on the 5th February 2022. Now this is the mock test. So when you look, you can pause the video, start your timer, and in 40 minutes, if you are academic or general student, pick your task and write it. And then you will be able to see whether you are able to understand or write the essay in 40-minute timeline or not. For academic students, doing an enjoyable activity with a child can develop better skills and more creativity than reading, to what extent you agree disagree. And for general students, it's discuss both views and give your opinion, like compare the advantages of comic book and television. So what are the advantages of reading comic books and what are the advantages of watching television, and which side you are taking. So you have to discuss and give opinion in intro and conclusion. So pause the video, take 40 minutes and write your essay. And for task 1, this is the level of exam that is going to be for general and academic. So it will be easy, not very difficult. If you know the structure and the synonyms, it will be quite easy for you to write your writings on 5th February. So GT students, a formal letter to your principal about the limited sports activities. And for academic students, it's a map. So hope this video will be helpful for you for your preparation. We have already uploaded the detailed LRWS prediction for 5th February as well as the listening prediction. Writing is here and reading soon it will be provided. We have already also predicted and given the list of cue cards and the writing topics for February month. So you can just go and check in the playlist of prediction and get all the videos and predict your answers. Once you write your exam, do comment in the comment section about the questions that you got so that other students can find it helpful and prepare accordingly. So all the best for your exam. See you. Bye bye.